Wait, that man looks like he's like stuck there.
Oh, really?
It looks, no, like it's gated off, so he's gonna run back down.
Oh.
There's a forest here.
Yeah, isn't there a trail like down that way?
Yee! So they're putting street lights. So what's this big road for? Just for people to walk?
What if it's like private property? So
It's not private property.
well, I don't know what to tell you then.
It used to be a road. I was gonna take this road every day. Stupid government. Shooby-dooby-doo.
I was gonna say this is some Sam and Colby exploring.
I don't know who they are.
Yeah, you do. I showed you them before.
Close?
This is the trail. I think it might be closed, yeah.
No, you liar.
Oh no. Cool. Okay, let's walk to the end and then we can see what's over there.
Shooby-dooby-doo.
She's weird.
Look, my man's coming back.
Yeah, we saw a runner earlier. He's up ahead. Oh my
I
gosh.
don't know what this is.
Houses.
No. This road was always here? No.
Oh, well, I don't know. But yeah, as Jen said, this used to be a road where it was like the shortcut way to home. And there was a bridge and it was so cool, but they blocked it off.
Decided to be a used our taxpayer money to build the highway that costs money to go on that highway.
I wonder what it looks like up at the top now though. I miss having that bridge because Tim Hortons was right there and then you could come here this way and then come home. But now you have to go all the way around.
I don't think this is the paying highway. The paying highway is our house.
Oh. The toll?
Yeah. My butt hurts.
Why?
There's too much walking.
I mean, if anything, it should be your legs that hurt.
Oh no, my butt.
All the cops just pull up now. Wow, to go on that bridge. Huh. You literally can go on the bridge. What?
Why are you going?
Why not? Oh, okay. Why?
Aren't allowed to be on the bridge.
That's okay. What?
They're gonna call 911 on us.
This is some alley law stuff. There are workers down there too.
Yeah, exactly. That's our home.
Yes, our home is that way. That was cool.
It's scary.
What's wrong with you?
What? Why are you so sad all the time?
What do you mean?
It's scary.
No. Oh, this is a cute little bridge. Whoa. It's kind of too wet to go in. Also, I doubt we'd want to go more into here.
Ah!
What, a bug?
No.
Oh. Okay. I just want to take one more shot of the water and then we can go. That was fun. That was a fun little adventure.
Hello?
We successfully trespassed, but it wasn't even a mission because there were already so many people that came here and it's so open. So yeah.